Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to study about parts of a plant. Today, we are going to study about parts of a plant. Last class, we already discussed about the specialities of plants, importance of plants, right? And today also, we can continue studying about plants. Are you ready? Good. So dear children, let us study about plants and different parts of a plant. What are the different parts of a plant? Root, fruit, stem, flower, leaf, etc. What are the different parts of plant? Root, fruit, stem, flower, leaf. These are the different parts of a plant. Okay. So root. So last class we discussed about root, stem and leaves, right? So what are the duties of root? Yes, they hold the plant firmly in the soil. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. And also roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, and also they hold the plant firmly in the soil. Root is present below the soil. Root is present below the soil. Okay, they hold plant firmly in the soil and also absorb water and minerals from the soil. And next is stem. Stem helps the plant to stand upright. Stem helps the plant to stand upright. It holds leaves, fruits, branches and flowers. Stem holds leaves, fruits, branches and flowers. Understand? There are different types of stem, like thorny stems are there and hairy stems are there. Okay, so stem help the plant to stand upright. Clear? And third one, leaves. Leaves are the kitchen of plants. Leaves are the kitchen of plant. Leaves prepare food with the help of air, water and minerals in the presence of sunlight. So leaves are the kitchen of plant. Leaves are the kitchen of plant, and leaves prepare food with the help of air, water and minerals in the presence of sunlight. Clear? And next is flowers. Flowers are the colorful part of a plant. We all love flowers, right? We all love flowers. During celebrations, during any special occasion, we decorate our house, decorate our vehicles, decorate our hair with beautiful flowers. Flowers are very special for us. So flowers are the, why we are using flowers? Because flowers are the colorful part of plant. Flowers have a sweet fragrance. Flowers have a sweet smell. Understand? And flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. Flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. See, can you look at the picture? Can you see nectar? It is a sweet liquid. In the morning, all the birds, all the insects come and sit and they drink this nectar. Okay? Every morning when you watch the flowers, you can see some small birds and insects come and drink this liquid. This sweet liquid is known as nectar. What is the spelling of nectar? Nectar, nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid produced by flowers. Clear? Okay, so flowers are the colorful part of a plant. Flowers are the colorful part of a plant, and They have a sweet scent. They have a sweet scent. Okay. Most flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. Flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. Understand? What is the spelling of nectar? Nectar, nectar. And next is fruits. Fruits are the fleshy, different parts are having different specialities, right? See, leaves are called kitchen of plant, okay? And flowers are the beautiful or colorful part of a plant. Similarly, fruits are the fleshy part of a plant. Fruits are the fleshy part of a plant. Fruits are very tasty, right? Different fruits are having different flavors, different textures, different taste. We all like fruits, and fruits contain so many vitamins and minerals. So children should eat fruits every day. We should include fruits in our daily diet. Understand? Because fruits contain so many vitamins that help our body from diseases. So you children should eat fruits daily. Understand? Fruits are the fleshy part of a plant. Fruits are the fleshy part of a plant. See, different fruits are having different taste. See, you can see banana. Banana is very soft, sweet. But what about oranges? They are juicy, like, and some other fruits are sour, right? So fruits are the fleshy part of plant, and different fruits are having different taste and different smell. Okay. Next is seeds. Seeds grow into new plant. Actually, seeds are the babies of plant. Seeds are the babies of plant. Okay. Seeds grow into a new plant. Seeds grow into a new plant. See, you can see papaya, pomegranate, okay, pea plant, and their seeds. Okay, these seeds are the babies of a plant. Okay, seeds grow into a new plant. Seeds grow into a new plant. When we cut fruits, you can see different types of seeds. When we cut mango, we can see only one seed. But when we cut this papaya or pomegranate or peas, we can see so many seeds. Okay, and we can also see seedless fruits. For example, banana. Banana is a seedless fruit. We cannot see any seed inside banana. Okay, so seeds grow into a new plant. There are different fruits having different seeds. There are one-seeded fruits are there, multi-seeded fruits are there. Okay, seeds grow into a new plant. And when the seeds grow into a new plant, when they receive water, air and warmth, when they receive proper conditions, and see, seeds grow into a new plant under proper conditions. Seeds need water, air and sunlight to grow. Okay, several things we have learned. Yes, plants are also living things, and without plants we cannot survive in the earth. See, without plants we cannot survive. All living things depend upon plants for their food. Okay, all living things depend upon plants for their food. Okay, and next is parts of plant. Plants have different parts, like our body part. Plants are also having different parts, like root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, etc. Okay, root hold the plant firmly in the soil and also absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, branches help the plant to stand upright. Okay, it hold holds leaves, fruits, branches, and flowers. And leaves are known as the kitchen of plant. Leaves prepare food with the help of air, water, and minerals in the presence of sunlight. Most of the plants are having green color leaves. Okay, most of the plants are having green color leaves. Different plants are having different types of leaves, different color, different size, different shaped leaves. Different plants are having different shaped leaves. Okay, and the flowers are the most beautiful, colorful part of a plant. Okay, flowers have a sweet smell. uh, Different flowers are having different types of fragrance or scent. Okay, and flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. Flower produce a sweet liquid called nectar. And fruits are the fleshy part of a plant. Fruits are the fleshy part of a plant. Seeds are the seeds growing. See, when we cut fruits, we can see seeds inside the fruit, and these seeds are the babies of a plant, and seeds grow into a new plant under when they receive proper uh, receive water, air, and warmth. Okay, children, these are the important things that we have studied today, and in the next class we can start different types of plants. Okay, read the textbook. Thank you so much. Bye.